Mutual admiration's what I felt from you. Was it all imagined? Thought we'd see it through. Did I show desperation? Not meaning to. I took all that you gave me at face value. 'Cause it all seems so perfect. Now I'm left with questions. I guess I'll chalk it up to bad timing. Can't take it personal. Who knew your feelings were so reversible? Gonna chalk it up to this, blame it all on that.